Right before that in 2014, we had another important news. China again tried to make entry in Arunachal Pradesh. Such sweet people, no Chinese.
हमेशा घुसे ही चले आते हैं. You know, I think Chinese people are like international level Marwadis. Seriously, any Marwa in the house? Proud Marwa. अभी सब झूठी बोल देते. But no, they're really like international level Marus. Because just think about it, just think about it. Marus have some simple policy in life. Anything that's theirs is theirs, anything that's yours is also theirs. Similarly, Chinese also have some similar simple policies. For example, the Chinese foreign policy. Very simple policy. The Republic of China's area keeps growing 1 square kilometer every friggin' day. Every day. You know this, China has border disputes with each and every one of their neighbors. China actually has border disputes with Bhutan. Bhutan? Bhutan is like a lot of rocks really. But the Chinese were like, no, that is our rock. Lord Buddha sat on that rock. Chinese are seriously like that. Like, for example, in the international context, Chinese people are the only people who are so selfish that they can make Americans look good. Back home, Marus are the only people who can make Punjabis look awesome. If you take a Marwari guy, all of a sudden you will find the Punjabi guy to be well-read, subtly dressed, and extremely broad-minded. It's insane, yeah. But talking about other international news, everybody heard in 2014 there was a military coup in Bangkok. Yeah? And the whole world was so sad about it. There was a military coup in Thailand. The whole world was very sad about it. Just Indians were going like, cheaper tickets to Pattaya. But the reputation that Thailand has started having is so insane. Because in the initial part of the year, I had to actually go to Thailand for my day job, for a client visit. I had to actually go to Thailand. And the reputation that Bangkok has is so insane. Because my dad, with whom I have the most serious kind of relationship, looked at me and said, बेटा जाना तो चले जा, काम का झूठा बहाना तो मत दे. Even when I was back, my dad looked at me and said, बेटा अब तो शादी कर ले, अब तो net practice भी हो गई. Your friends तो just lose it. Your friends lose it if you have to go to Bangkok. उनके अंदर का शक्ति कपूर बाहर आ जाता है. They just start repeating in a crazy tone, Bangkok, and in that tone you can say anything and it'll sound sleazy. You can say Jai Mata Ki. Just like that. But 2014 will be always known for the different reason. It will be known for the year that Congress went out of power, and particularly I was so sad about it. No, not just I, all stand-up comedians were very sad about it. Because screw country ki GDP, at least jokes to mil rahe the. I swear I'm not even joking about this. Every single stand-up comedian has a Rahul Gandhi's dumb joke. Every single stand-up comedian, and every time another stand-up comedian is cracking a Rahul Gandhi's dumb joke, वो ना side में बैठ के insecure होते हैं. पता है, I was the first person to do Rahul Gandhi's dumb joke. I was the first person to discover that Rahul Gandhi is dumb. Which is so insane because Sonia Gandhi must be thinking, I thought I was the first person to discover that. It's pretty crazy, yeah. But how did we dodge a bullet or what? If Rahul Gandhi would have become the Prime Minister, wow, did we dodge a bullet or what? I think the worst thing is that if Rahul Gandhi would have become the Prime Minister, even Digvijay Singh would have become somebody important. Which is even a scarier thought. Because Digvijay Singh is like, he's the most hated person in the history of humanity. And humanity includes Kamala Khan. So imagine how much everybody hates Digvijay Singh. Digvijay Singh is such a big chamcha. So even if Rahul Gandhi farts, Digvijay Singh could go right behind him. Sir, kya sugandh aa rahi hai?
He's that big a chamcha of Rahul Gandhi. And if you guys ever feel depressed about your life, if you're ever sad and feeling lonely that nobody likes you, just go to Twitter and look at Digvijay Singh's Twitter account. It will make you feel so much better because वहाँ पे सब दिग्विजय को गाली देते हैं, सब. People follow him specially so that they can abuse him. It's insane. It happens nowhere else. Even at unrelated issues, every time he tweets कोई ना कोई उसको गाली देके चला जाता है. I'm going to actually read out this tweet that Digvijay Singh tweeted about. Just 4 days back, he tweeted this: "A very happy new year to you and your family. Digvijay _28, which is his ID. I don't know why he wants to convince that he's 28. The first reply to that, his tweet was a very happy new year to you and your family. The first reply to that was by Arjun_28 cool guy. वो सब छोड़ बुड्ढे तेरी शादी कब है?